How to download YouTube videos to watch offline. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily download YouTube videos to watch offline. But before we begin, do not forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Now, let us jump right in. First thing first, go ahead and open up your YouTube application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just go ahead and play any video that you want to download. And then from here, what you can do is tap on this download button. This won't download this to your phone's gallery, but what it will do is it will add the video to your library. So go ahead and click on the select your quality and then click on download. And then it will be saved to your library on YouTube, and you will be able to access this video offline for up to 30 days. Click on your profile icon to access it, and then from here click on downloads, and you will be able to see all of your downloaded video right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll be catching you guys on the next one.